Hey guys, hey, it's Sunday afternoon and I'm on today, but it's only going to be a brief time that I'm on. I just want to go over some really important details with you, but first of all, let me say my name is Margie Donaldson. I am Honor Society top seller as well as a bronze leader with Avon, and I've been an Avon representative for 20 years. So we are in campaign 1. We are in campaign 1, okay? And watch on the website, depending on where you live, for when is the last day that you can order for your customers for Christmas delivery. Very, very important that you let them know when Christmas delivery will be. If you're getting orders from people, make sure that you ask them, is this for Christmas? If it's not, then no sweat. But if it is, look on the website at the shipping information for Christmas shopping to see when the last day is that you can order for guaranteed Christmas delivery, okay? Now, for those of you in the California, Arizona, Nevada area, maybe even New Mexico is in this, we have a new delivery company called Deliver It. And I'm not having a great amount of luck with them with getting the orders as promised on the date that they're saying. So I tried this out and it worked. Is if you're not ordering books for your customers, if you don't need to order any brochures, go ahead and place your orders through your website, your avon.com/ whatever your reference code is, website. Because those orders, turns out, are coming by UPS and they do come a lot faster. For example, I placed an order on a Wednesday night for most of my customer orders that had been in by that time, and I'm expecting this order to come in on Tuesday. And that's the date that UPS is promising. Hi Sandy, how are you? I'm finding with Deliver It that their dates are not exactly correct with what they say that they're going to ship it out and when they actually come in. If you find that you are in the same boat, you're having that same difficulty, let Avon know. The more we let them know that we're not exactly thrilled about this delivery company, the better chance that we're going to have some kind of say in them just flipping back to UPS. It seems like UPS, as much as we don't like the shape of the boxes when they come in necessarily, at least we're getting our stuff on time. So keep that in mind. The other thing I was going to say is, so to make sure that my customers get their orders on time, I place the order through my website, but then I also am going to place an order for my books separately. And the books don't really matter when they come in as long as I get the books. Hi Anastasia, how are you? So the books don't really matter when they come in, all right? You need to make sure that you are ordering books if you do pass them out to your customers. But as much as I hate to pay double shipping, I'm doing it because it's the time of year that customers are expecting their orders in a timely fashion, and Deliver is just not really doing it for me. So that's my workaround. Go ahead and place as many orders, as many in a bulk amount on your website as you can, and then follow up through the avonnow.com to place your books, any what's new items that you just can't wait for, your supplies such as your bags, that kind of thing, okay? So in your campaign 1 order, you can also place the order out of campaign 26, but this is the last time that you can order out of 26 because we can only go back 1 book at a time. And then you can start planning on, in fact, most of my customers already have their campaign 2 books. So then when the campaign or opens again, which, let's see, I'm outside today because boyfriend's taking a nap. Let's see, so December 9th is the first day for campaign 2. So my customers already have their books for, wait, is that right? No, sorry. I'm sorry, I said that wrong. December 9th is campaign 1. December 23rd is campaign 2. So most of my customers already have their books, so that if they do have an order, then they have them, and then I can get them and place all those orders on the 23rd. And since that would be a campaign 2 order, I'm also going to order my campaign 4 books. But I'm not going to be placing double orders because I know for sure nothing is going to come in by Christmas at that point. So I'm just going to take my own sweet time because most of my customers don't want their orders delivered in that like dead week between Christmas and New Year's anyway. So that's kind of my go around with the new shipping company and the dates that you need to be aware of. So we are in campaign 1, which opened on December 9th. It closes December 23rd. But like I said, if you have any orders for Christmas delivery, make sure that you pop onto the avonnow.com website, look and see what the dates are for shipping, for guaranteed delivery by Christmas shipping, and then plan your orders around that. If you are one of the representatives that always waits until the last day of the campaign to order, that would put you at December 22nd. Your customers aren't going to get their stuff in time for Christmas that way. That's one of the reasons why I like to always place my orders either on the first or second day of the campaign, because I get the first pick of the litter, and my customers just have their stuff that much more, that quicker. The other thing I was going to go over is, if you notice, I'm drinking an Aspira smoothie right now. Let me tell you what's in this. It is diet cranberry juice, vanilla protein powder, and about a teaspoon or so of cinnamon. I love that taste. I'm getting my the anti-inflammatory properties from the cinnamon, and I'm getting the protein from the vanilla shake, and I just love it. But if you'll notice, if you've already looked ahead to what we have coming out in campaign 3, Aspira is getting a renaming, repackaging kind of thing. There is nothing that we can demo about it, but some of the Aspira products are coming back. They're being repackaged, such as Ideal Cleanse. I remember that one is coming back. I can't remember what else was coming back, but everything's going under a remodel, a revamp kind of thing, and I'm very excited about that. What I'm planning on doing, starting with January of the new year, is every month I'm going to have a different product category as a promotion. So in January, any orders that I get out of the new wellness line, I think it's called Refine, Retune, something like that, whatever that is, and I'm going to have this on my voicemail, so I need to be changing my voicemail every month, is I'm going to have on there a promotion, whether it's 10 or 15% off, I'm not really sure. And then February, I might do a different category. You know, we have so many categories, so many product categories. We've got the fragrance, the jewelry, the skincare, the body lotions, the clothing, the home products, candles. You know, I could fill up an entire year of months so easily by just doing these promotions. And then getting that word out to my customers, and then when they call in with their orders, hi Saul, how are you? When they call in with their orders, I'll ask them, hey, it's January and we have wellness on sale. When is the last time that you had a smoothie, or what are your wellness goals, different things like that. And then I can steer them in the right direction with that. Or if they're looking for candles, tell them about the benefits of our 3-wick candles in the glass jars, how they burn evenly down the sides. They're now made out of soy. They smell great. And, just going on and on and on about whatever product category it is that I have on special that month. Those are some of my ideas for the new year. I've been doing this for 20 years, and I always want to offer something new for my customers, something new that, to let them know that I'm not just an order taker. I am here to help them, steer them, guide them, find out what the right products are for them to use. And I really want my customers to be all in with Avon as much as I am, and as much as I'm hoping that you guys are too. So anyway, I am working on my newsletter for the campaign 26 wrap-up. I'm working on that today. And I wanted to say a big shout out to Ashley for making Honor Society for the first time, and to Dory for making President's Club. And guys, Dory has been in Avon less than a year, and she already made President's Club, so that is fantastic. And I know that Anastasia is really close. You're really shooting for PCs, so I'm really excited to watch you make that. And what else was going on? We still have the free signups through the end of the month. Keep that in mind. Although lately I've been getting more people buying the full kit, the $30 kit, because it really is a value. It's over $100 worth of brochures, full-size products, and samples. So let your friends, your family, coworkers, neighbors, everybody know that, hey, it's still free to sign up, but if you really want the best deal to get your business off to a good jump start, go ahead and get that $30 kit. I think that's about all that I have. So if you guys have any questions, you can always call me, text me, email me. All right? Let's see. Anastasia says, fingers crossed, the site isn't updating my totals despite orders being shipped. Do you know when they update? I kind of thought that no, there is a delay, but I don't know. I've never really tracked to see what that delay is. But yeah, my fingers are definitely crossed, and I'm sure the whole team is hoping that you make it to PC for the first time for you as well. So anyway, I think that's all I'm going to go over for today. Oh, I know, another thing that I wanted to say. It seems like it's been kind of hard for me to, let's see, how do I want to say this? To stop my Sunday in the middle of the day and do the broadcast. Sorry, that sun is it's starting to come out from underneath the roof line. Anyway, so I'm thinking about going back to Wednesday night at 5 o'clock Arizona time. Let me know if that is good, if that's a good idea, if that's a bad idea. Should I go later, like 6 o'clock? What's your guys' thoughts? I know we've gone through this a couple of times since I started doing the videos a couple years ago, but I just want to, make it so that I'm more, how do I want to say this? I don't want to say reliable because I'm not a flake, but just something where it's just easier to transition into that. So, all right, so that's 2 of you that are saying better for you on Wednesdays. You like that better. Evenings are better. So sold. I'm done. Let's see. Now I've got sun on me and I can't see. Oh, there was no further message. Okay. All right, so I don't know why, but my phone all of a sudden went very dark. So I am going to wrap this up, and I will say I will see you on Wednesday because I am expecting a shipment of my meeting in a box products, and I can't wait to dive in and tell you guys about these because I know it includes the new mopping, the dry mop and the wet mop products, and I'm really excited for that. So anyway, you guys have a good rest of your Sunday and the next few days, and I will be back on Wednesday evening, okay? Bye, guys.